Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you this look right here. It is a pink smoky eye with a pop of purple using the James Charles palette. If you're wondering about any products I'm using in today's video, they're all going to be linked in the description box down below. So let's stop talking and let's get into it. So I want this video to be more focused on the eye look, so I'm going to go ahead and do my base and I'll be right back. So I just finished my base and I'll link everything I've used down below in the description box. For contour, I'm just using the Shade and Light contour palette. Blend, blend, blend. For the eyebrows, I'm just going to go ahead and do them off camera. For the eyes, I was actually thinking of going for like a neon pink smoky eye or something like that. Maybe purple incorporated with it. So for this look, I am taking the James Charles X Morphe palette. To start off this look, I'm going to take this nude color right here and put it all over my eyes. What this is going to do is it's just going to make that effect of a matte base to work with, so it's just easier for all the shadows to blend together. For the first shade, I'm going to go ahead and go in with this light pink right here and blend that in on the top of the eye. Now that we have that shade all blended in together, I'm going to go ahead and take the Morphe M433 brush, and I'm going to take this hot pink color right here and go ahead and pack that in on the lid in the crease. Now I'm going to take the JH30 brush and just dip into that lighter pink shade we took for the first shade and blend that together. Now that those shades are blended in, I'm going to go ahead and take the JH41 brush and use a little bit of concealer, and I'm going to go ahead and carve out half of my eyelid. Now that my eyelids are carved out, I'm just going to go ahead and take that cream shadow we took before to set the eyes and just set that concealer right down. Now that that concealer is carved out and we set it, I'm going to take this M433 brush. I'm going to go ahead and blend out the edges of this concealer so that it looks blended and no harsh lines or anything like that are there. Now that I've blended in the concealer, I'm going to go ahead and take this shiny purple shade right here. And I'm going to go ahead and take a flat brush, spritz it with some Morphe setting spray, and go ahead and put that right where we put that concealer. Now that we have the purple on the eyelids, we're going to go ahead and wipe off the bake under my eyes and do the lower lash line. For the lower lash line, we are going to go ahead and take this cranberry shade right here. And for the brush, I'm taking the JH40 brush. And I'm going to make sure that I blend this shadow I'm putting in my lower lash line up to the shadow that is on my eye, so it just looks snatched and pulled together nicely. Now I'm going to take the JH43 brush and I'm going to dip into this deep purple right here. And what I'm doing is I'm just stamping it in on my lower lash line. We're going to go ahead and move on to the inner corner highlight. Spritz my pencil brush. And we're going to go ahead and take this pinky shimmery salmon color and place that on the inner corner. Now we're going to go ahead and pop on some lashes and I'll be right back. For my lashes today, I am using Dollar Lash Club in the style Robin. Now that I have my lashes on, I'm going to go ahead and take a pencil brush and dip into that same highlight we used for the inner corner. Use it for my nose. For last but certainly not least, we're going to go ahead and do some lips. I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Laura Mercier lip liner in Naked. For the lipstick, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the YSL in the color Rouge Pure Couture. Rouge Pure Couture. Okay. Don't hate on me, I can't talk right now. So I'm going to go ahead and put that all over my lips. Now for the last product of the day, it's going to be the Tarte H2O Gloss in the shade Hang 10. And I believe we are done. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope this look inspired you to maybe get out of your comfort zone and do a little bit of neon looks with me. If you like this video, make sure to go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And I do have a giveaway going on. I actually mentioned it in my last video. I will link it right over here in the info box. So you can go ahead and check that out and maybe enter. And I'd love for you to subscribe to join my glam fam. And hit that bell to get notified when I post. I post every Wednesdays at 1 p.m. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Love you. Let's roll the bloopers. My eyeshadow palette's wet. What do I want to use? Oh, she blurred. And I'm going to go focus. Gotta go cut my lashes. I'll be right back. Oh, there's lipstick on it now.